Hey there, wellness lovers. Did you know that carrying essential oils while traveling can make your trips not only stress-free, but also totally rejuvenating? Welcome back to AJ's EO Infusions, where we're all about making self-care simple, stylish, and effective. Today I'm sharing the ultimate hack for your next adventure, travel-sized roller bottles. Trust me, you'll never leave home without them again. Let's get started. Roller bottles are small but mighty. These portable beauties let you enjoy all the benefits of essential oils wherever life takes you without spills, mess, or bulky bottles. Whether it's soothing travel stress, easing a headache, or just a quick pick-me-up, roller bottles are here to save the day. Let's break it down. These little guys are super convenient. Toss them in your bag, your pocket, or even your carry-on. Mess-free, just roll it on. No spills or greasy hands. Versatile, perfect for headaches, stress relief, or even a quick aromatherapy boost. They're like your wellness sidekick, always ready to roll, literally. So, how do you pick the perfect oils for your roller bottle blend? Easy. Ask yourself, what's my goal? Relaxation, energy, headache relief? What scents do I love? Because who wants a blend they won't actually use? Do I have any skin sensitivities? Always keep this in mind for a safe, soothing experience. And if you're new to essential oils, check out our blog at AJ's EO Infusions for guides and resources to help you choose. Here's where the magic happens. Blending your oils. Think of it as creating your own signature scent with added wellness benefits. Pick oils that work well together. For example, lavender and peppermint are a dreamy duo for relaxation and headaches. Don't forget the golden rule to dilute your oils. About 10 to 15 drops of essential oil per 10 milliliters of carrier oil like jojoba or coconut works perfectly. To assemble your roller bottle, fill halfway with carrier oil, add your essential oil blend, snap on the roller top, and you're done. Here's a pro tip. Label your bottles with the blend name and ingredients. It's a lifesaver when you're on the go. Now for the best part. Using your blend. Apply it to pulse points like your wrists, temples, or even the back of your neck. Roll it on, take a deep breath, and enjoy that instant zen. Quick safety reminder. Always patch test your oils and avoid using them on broken or sensitive skin. Essential oils are powerful, so a little goes a long way. Travel-sized roller bottles make self-care effortless, portable, and oh so stylish. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting your wellness journey, these are a total game changer. Let me know in the comments what blends you're excited to try, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your wellness squad. With care, Jenice from AJ's EO Infusions.